Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to Mofe Lifestyle. So today I will be sharing with you this delicious vegetable fried rice recipe using the one pot method. Like ever since I came across this recipe, I literally fell in love with it, and this has been my go-to method in preparing Nigerian fried rice. Aside from the fact that this method is less time consuming and very simple, another important fact is with this method you get more in-depth flavors. So if you like this video, indicate by clicking on the like button, and also share with your friends and family because you never know who you might be helping. Lastly, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So now let's go straight into this video. To make this recipe, you will need some mixed vegetable prawns, onions, chicken breast, mixed pepper, spring onions, jumbo fish stock, salt, thyme, curry powder, garlic, olive oil, and rice. To begin, I'm adding some butter and olive oil to a preheat pot, and then when the oil is hot enough, I'm adding some pre-diced onions into the pot, and I'm also going to leave this to fry on medium heat until the onions become translucent. After, I'm adding the spring onions I showed you earlier and frying together with the onions. This just takes the aroma to the next level. After the onions are properly sauteed, I'm adding some diced mixed bell pepper and also 3 Scotch bonnet pepper. The Scotch bonnet pepper is the really spicy one, so you want to be really careful. So I'm frying all of this together on a medium heat for around 2 minutes. Next, I'm adding some garlic powder into the mix and also some chicken breast. As you can see, I'm putting in these ingredients bit by bit. This basically helps develop all of the different flavors and make the fried rice at the end of the day even more tastier. After about a minute before the chicken breast is properly cooked, I'm adding the ingredients: 1 full spoon of curry powder, 1 spoon of thyme, 4 cubes of Maggi, and 2 bay leaves. And I'm just going to mix everything together. Be careful not to overcook the chicken breast at this stage. Once the chicken breast is no longer pink, you can add the mixed vegetables. Here there is a mix of carrots, garden peas, green beans, and some sweet corns. Next, I'm adding water. You can use chicken stock instead, then some salt to taste, and I'm just going to cover it up to bring it to a boil. So I'm adding 3½ cups of pre-washed rice into this mixture, and I'm just going to stir it properly to make sure that the rice mix in well. I'm also adding more water, just enough to cover the rice, and I'm going to leave it to cook on high heat for 15 minutes. This is how the rice looks after the first 15 minutes on high heat. As you can see, most of the water has been absorbed and the rice is halfway done. I'm just going to leave this to cook again for another 15 minutes on low heat. So this is the rice after cooking for another 15 minutes. So I've cooked this rice for a total of 30 minutes, and you can see that the rice is fully done and the fried rice is ready. That'll be all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.